It really has brought the entire company closer together. And it looks fresh, it has all the info in the right places, and everyone knows where to find it and who updates it.
Here at Unibrew, we have a tendency to put Uni in front of many services. Our intranet, which is called Uniworld, is built basically on a Microsoft foundation. On top of that, there is a Fellowmind specific platform called IntraActive, which is running on top of this part. When we had the dialogue together with Fellowmind, we had this discussion about that we needed to cater both for the local markets and the local market needs, but we also needed the strong cohesive that was Royal Unibrew as a global company. When we went into this, it was also super important that we felt this cohesiveness on the platform. That is why we chose to use the IntraActive solution from Fellowmind to deliver this.
Well, the internet has always been a really important channel for us at Hartwell because it has news, but it also has a lot of info for us Hartwell people, from like HR procedures to sustainability materials.
It's made it extremely much simpler to onboard a new market. For instance, we had a market in Belgium, and when we had this platform up and running, it didn't take more than 14 days with the governance and the training, and then we had a new market onboarded.
The new intranet brings the entire company closer together. We are able to keep up with other countries' achievements and news a lot better, and of course we can share our own with an international audience a lot easier.
We have also been extremely happy about the integration into Teams. We have this notification element where we can actually notify people in Teams if something is super important. We call it clink because it's two bottles who meet and then clink together. We have also been very happy about the mobile app. We have a lot of employees who don't come near any kind of PC on a normal day. For me, that was really a key, that we have a simple solution that also caters for the mobile world.
I jumped in the middle of things, but it was really easy because the plan was really clear. I had a lot of Teams chats with Fellowmind contact persons, and they were really easy to reach.
We had a key resource here who was part of delivering this from our side, who had to go on maternity leave. We then had a really good collaboration together with Fellowmind that meant that we had resources stepping in to help us also operate the platform, not just deliver it and then say goodbye. It was also in the phases that go in afterwards that we had a strong partnership. Whenever we had a new market to be onboarded, there was a good collaboration from Fellowmind to support us in that. That's why we call it a partnership and not just a project that someone comes in and delivers afterwards. We've been extremely happy with the setup. Both the platform, as I said, it's been super easy to manage. It's also very easy to onboard new markets. And also it's the partnership that is super strong for us. So we are very happy with this solution.